Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, please subscribe and like. Also click on the notification button so that you can see more of our videos. Don't forget to check us on our social media handles at Austin Global and Skincare. That is on Instagram and also on Facebook. Okay, and TikTok as well. Okay, in a quick one, let me tell you guys, you're missing out. You're missing out. What would you have yourself do if you don't have Blend Pro 9? Should you know see your lotion, that one when you dey use, it not the work well. You know the whiten you the way you want them. That is why I give this Blend Pro 9 to you. This is original. Blend Pro 9. Now only Austin Global Cosmetic. That is where you can get Blend Pro 9. If you put this in your lotion, trust me, like as I said, in 1 week, that lotion you'll be complaining that it's not working, don't return it at all. Don't stop using it. Just add this to it. Add one of this. One small but mighty. You will see the reason why it's being called Blend Pro 9. In 1 week, your skin will tone. You will get that 7 shade you're looking for. Are you getting it? You get that 7 shade. It's not fake. Just give it a try. I know you'll be wondering, should I give it a try or not? Why not? Give it a try. Now, once they tell they know the real product, so give it a try. Just one. This 50 ml. Mix it with your 500 ml lotion. You will see the reason why it's being called Blend Pro 9. For those of you who want to buy cosmetic product or you want to buy skincare organic ingredient, you want to buy them. This is the right store, Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Don't forget what I've just told you about this Blend Pro 9. I know a lot of you, your lotion has not been working. You've been meeting the wrong people. But don't throw the lotion away. All you just need to do, just order for this Blend Pro 9. I repeat, order for this Blend Pro 9. And now we are doing our Christmas sales now. Christmas come early, real quick. So place your order now. Otherwise, the motto of promo go run leave you. Bye bye.